Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with how we can add trailer to the movie. So go to the movie.org, moviedb.org. When we show the movie here, we have this play trailer and we display a modal with embedded YouTube trailer. I'm going to do the same thing for our project. And also I have make a get request to the movie, and sometimes we don't get the video. So here we have this video, but for someone is false, so we cannot add directly when we generate a movie. So open the movie index. I'm not going to add it when we generate a movie at the trailer, but I'm going to add a button here, and when we click we have a form. We are going to have a form like this with if I open the sequel, okay, open the database and choose movie app, and we have trailer URLs with web name, web URL, and trailerable ID and trailerable type. So I'm going to add here we add the name and not web URL but the embedded code. So we need maybe to make changes to the name here, but I'm not going to do that right now. If I open now the trailerable URLs, here we have web name, web URL, trailerable ID, trailerable type, and also if I open the trailer URL class model, we don't have anything right now. I'm going to add, if you go to the laravel.com and documentation, eloquent, relationship, and one-to-many polymorphic relationship, we have some of this with post, this example with post, videos, and comments. And comments can be integrated to the videos as well as to the post. And we are going to do the same thing. And in the comment model, we have the method commentable and return of this morph to, and that's it. So the same thing we are going to do here. But before that, I'm going to add the protected fillable for the web name and web URL. Okay. And now here add public function trailerable and $sign this return, sorry, this morph to, but we need to return that. Okay, hit save and close this one. Now how we can add a move button here. So open the move index plate, and when we have a button in the table, here we have a button. Copy this edit button, and I'm going to add before the edit, just change the name to be trailer. Also, uh, the method is going to be show trailer model, and we need the table ID. When we click to that here, I want to display a model, which there we can have a form, the add trailer. Okay, so when we click this one, we need to open the trailer model. I'm going to copy this model we have here and paste it here. Just we need to make some changes. First, here I'm going to say trailer movie. Also remove the form. Here I'm going to say form for now. And in the footer, we have this close movie model. Yeah. When we click here, cancel, it's going to reset everything. So that's okay. And here we need to say add trailer and change this to be add trailer and hit save. Refresh. Yeah. Now we need to create this method here. Also, this is going to be not show movie model, but show trailer model. And now this is going to be, this is property, this is going to be the method. And I'm going to change the name here, show trailer model. And here is going to be just show trailer without model. This is the property, this is the method. Now in the movie, I'm going to split right this one, and here first create the show trailer model method, copy this one, and I'm going to add it on the end. Here we are is going to be the logic for the trailer. So public function and add the name. We expect the movie ID here. Okay. And after that, we need to say show trailer, but we don't have this state right now. So here I'm going to say public $sign show trailer to false by default. Okay, and now when we click show trailer model, we are going to say $sign of this. The trailer show trailer is going to be true. Okay, and next one is to create this add trailer to the public function add trailer, and I'm going to say this reset for now. It's going to reset everything and hit save, and I think we are ready to go and try. Refresh. We have the trailer here. Click, and yeah, we display the model. If I click cancel, okay. If I click add trailer, we reset everything and we close. Just one more thing, I want to change the color here. So go to the button, and change this to BBG with the say indigo, and also the same thing, indigo in the hover. Okay, and refresh. Now we have indigo button, trailer, cancel. Okay friends, in the next video we're going to add a form here when we can add a trailer and attach to the movie. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one friends. All the best.